Hi, it's Yan, and for today's makeup look, I'm gonna try the Foxy Eye Makeup. I already have my base makeup, so mag-focus tayo sa eyebrows, sa eyes, and yun, yung sa contour and blush and lipstick, ganun. So, let's begin with the makeup. For this look, ang ina-achieve natin sa eyebrows natin is mahaba. Yung iba, sinashave nila yung tail ng eyebrows nila para mas ma-achieve nila yung look na to. Pero, syempre, hindi naman natin gagawin yan. And hindi ko naman gagawin yan. So, we're gonna try. So, I'm just gonna try my best na ma-achieve yung Foxy Eye Makeup without shaving my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use my mirror. So, basta yung goal mo is mapahaba yung eyebrows mo. I mean, mas elongated siya. So, I'm gonna conceal it first and fix ko ulit later. Para lang mas ma-define yung dito. I think okay na yan. Baka ma-overdo ko and papangat lang. So, I'm just gonna put eyebrow gel para mag-stay yung hair sa pwesto nila. So, let's begin with the eyes. So, first, gagamit muna ako ng concealer. Maglalagay ako ng concealer sa eyes ko. Konti lang naman. Yung sa Foxy Eye Makeup, sa outer, pawing siyang ganon, pawing, and sa inner corner, parang mas, I don't know, parang mas i-define mo yan, na, ganon. Basta mamaya, I'm gonna make it quick and simple para mas magaya nyo, and, yan, mas madali, diba? So, let's begin with the eyes. I'm using this Naked Urban Decay and I don't know kung anong gagamitin ko. So for my eye base makeup, I'm gonna use the So for the eye base makeup, I'm gonna use the Low Glow. This one. Yeah. So ang technique dito is pa-upward ka dapat, pero hindi naman sobra dapat. So, yun. Kasi, ang gusto mong matching dito is Foxy Eye Makeup. So, mag-create ka ng parang wing, pero wag mong sobrahan. And later, pwede naman tayong gumamit ng makeup wipes or baby wipes, ganun. Para naman mas ma-define yung crease natin, I'm gonna use the shade Cayenne. This one. So, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Gel Eyeliner na super tagal na neto, and I don't know kung mag-work pa siya. Sana mag-work pa siya kasi hindi ako mahilig bumili ng eyeliner. That's why yun. So, I'm gonna spritz some primer na lang. So, hindi ko siya ilalayan hanggang dulo. I think it's working naman. And it's raining! So, guys, kung mas prefer yung pencil eyeliner or liquid eyeliner, then go for it. So, I think okay na yan. And what I'm gonna do is, dito sa... Oh shit, ano ba ginagawa ko? So guys, feeling ko na overdo ko yung sa inner corner. Kasi pangit na. So magdadab lang ako ng ng concealer dito since nag-darken. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Blend ko lang ng maigi. So if you want to be extra ratchet, bougie, you can use falsies. And yan, maglalagay ako because I'm a classic bougie. Joke lang. So feeling ko tatagdagan ko pa or ayusin ko yung eyeliner ko and yung sa corner ko kasi parang feeling ko wala naman pinagbago. I mean, contour time. So for my blush, is this BYS blusher in Perfectly Peachy. Konti lang kasi parang ayokong nasampal look dito sa makeup look na to. Free products. First, ito muna yung lip tint. So yung na-tube ko dito yung parang pa-fresh look lang ng Foxy Makeup. So this is the crease in matte lipstick in Life. And lastly, of course, is my all-time fave lip gloss, the Fenty Beauty. So we're almost done, guys. Mag-sprit lang ako and then maglalagay tayo ng highlighter. So yan, medyo patuyuin lang natin ng konti para hindi pangit yung kalalabasan ng highlighter pag nilagay ko na. Maglalagay na tayo. Lalagyan ko sana yung inner corner ko pero wag na. Baka maruin yung eyeliner ko. Since yung Fix Plus naman, parang nakaka-glow siya sa skin ko. So, na-absorb niya lahat. So, it's better if nakatay yung hair niyo para parang mas nahihila yung eyes niyo. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any suggestions, video suggestions, especially makeup looks na pwede kong gawin. So, bye guys!